Hey folks, how's it going? Over this video, I'm going to be walking you through a very cool feature that I'm working on Snappy, which will be out in the upcoming few days. Now, this feature will genuinely allow you to just upload the video and let AI do the editing work for you. So almost like hands-free editing per se. So this is what the name of the feature is. We're calling it AI video auto editor, and it's exactly what the name says, right? Let's go ahead and upload a video first. So I'm uploading the exact same video that I'm recording right now, and you should be able to see that in a little bit. So you can see I'm uploading the video. Once you upload the video, you get an option to process the transcript. What we are essentially doing is taking a video and then generating a transcript for that video, where, by also understanding what the whole sentences mean, but we also kind of understand what each of these words are and where on the timeline they appear. So if I go over any of these words, you can see this is 0 seconds and this is from 19 seconds to 19 seconds and so on and so forth. So you can see as I was recording this video, I took a retake that said, hey folks, how's it going? Over this video, I'm going to be walking you through you can see there is a retake here. So over this video, I'm going to be walking you through a very cool feature. So again, this is a retake and something that I want to remove. So in this new update, what you can do is you can go ahead and do something like this, or you can, let's say, re-click on certain items that you don't want to remove. So let's say I don't want to remove this part, and over this video is something. Okay, so hey folks, how's it going? Over this video, I'm going to be walking you through a very cool feature that I'm working on Snappy, which will be out in the upcoming few days. Now this feature genuinely allows you to upload the video and let AI do the editing work for you. So almost like hands-free editing per se. So this is what the name of the feature is. We're calling it AI video or AI video auto editor, and it's exactly what the name says. I don't want write. Let's go ahead and upload, and you can see this is another retake, and then I'm going to remove this one, our video first, right? So now you can manually make all of these cuts if you want, and this is the core functionality of the feature itself. You can click on edit with AI, which will essentially do the exact same thing, just that it will now remove these cuts automatically. You can see, hey folks, how's it going is gone. This video, I'm going to be walking you through a very cool feature that I'm working on, which will be out in the upcoming few days and genuinely allow you to just upload videos and so on. So the transcript is auto edited using AI. Now, once the transcript is edited, one of the things that we used to do and a lot of users do on Snappy right now is they go to video silence remover to remove the silent parts of the video where you take pauses and then you talk. Now, one of the problems with that, feature is that it will remove the silences, but it will not remove things like repetitions, things like filler words like and all of these things. So the goal of this feature is to allow you to do both things in one place, where you will not only remove silences, but you will also be removing retakes and things like and so on and so forth, right? Which will allow you to take your editing completely hands-free. The best part is that in the future, we are also exploring adding support for transitions and so on, where essentially what we will do is that based on the script, we will decide what sort of transition to add, which is something that a lot of video editing tools allow you to do, right? So having fade in, fade out, and so on and so forth. So that is going to be the goal in the upcoming feature itself. Anyway, so now that we have the script selected, right now remove silence is going to be disabled because it's in beta. What we're going to be doing is make cuts and edit, and this will essentially take the video. So the video is ready, but let me just give you an understanding with respect to why we created this feature in the first place. A lot of course editors or video editors like us don't do a lot of editing on the video, like adding transitions, making cool effects, and so on and so forth. All we want is, end of the day, that we kind of make or remove silences and repetitions or retakes or filler words from the video itself. Now, a lot of platforms are great for doing that, but they are way too complex than that. I have to load an entire video editor just to make some basic edits to the video itself. So the goal of Snappy is simple. You upload a video, you remove what you want, and then you finally get a video that you essentially will use without all the complexities of having like a video editing tool per se. So that is why we created it, and so far it's working fine for us. We've been using Snappy for our day-to-day work on a day-to-day basis. So definitely something that is really helping us, but it's also helping a lot of people who are course creators, YouTubers, and so on and so forth, who just want basic sort of editing for the video itself. And like I said, the idea originated from the video silence remover, but it kind of did not remove things like repetitions and so on. And that's what AI video auto editor will allow you to do. We probably want a better name for it. Anyways, so the original video was 50 seconds and the processed video, which took around 1 minute for a 1 minute video, and will take shorter as the video length increases, because the whole processing to get to a point where video is editing will be fixed. It will not increase with video per se. So anyway, let me go ahead and play this video for you. This video, I'm going to be walking you through a very cool feature that I'm working on Snappy, which will out in the upcoming few days. Now, this feature will genuinely allow you to just upload. You can see it's not removing the silences, which is something that we will be shipping in the next few days as well, where if you enable the remove silence part, all the pauses that you see throughout the video will also be removed. So again, I don't know how many of you were looking for something like this, or as an upgrade to you if you're using Snappy. If you have feedback with respect to how we can improve this or kind of things we can add, we are obviously also planning to add transitions in the future, which is something that a lot of video editors right now do. But if you have any feedback right now, please feel free to let us know, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much and have a nice day.